Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this series of Sikkim. So this is my third day in North Sikkim. Today we are planning for like Zero Point and Yumthang Valley and hot springs in Yumthang Valley. Right now we are in a town called Lachung. अब यहाँ से Zero Point जाना पड़ेगा, फिर यहाँ से समवेयर अराउंड लाइक 2 घंटे लगेंगे और उसके बाद वहाँ से आते वक्त हम लोग युमथांग वैली में रुकेंगे. वन मोर थिंग अबाउट Zero Point is that Zero Point is never added into the tour packages provided by these travel agents. So whenever you book a trip for North Sikkim, Zero Point won't be added. You have to pay extra for it. And there are other few valleys about which I'll talk in my last video of this series. हम लोग Zero Point के लिए निकल चुके हैं. तो बेसिकली Zero Point जाने के लिए आपको युमथांग वैली से ही जाना पड़ेगा. So we have finally reached Zero Point and the altitude of Zero Point is 4800 meters.
Zero Point is the last point up to where civilians are allowed.
Civilians लोग को इसके आगे एक्सेस नहीं है. यहाँ पे सिर्फ आगे मिलिट्री वाले जाते हैं.
Few kilometers away from this point is China border. Due to heavy clouds, the mountains on the other side of the border were not visible to us. Best time to visit Zero Point is winters, when all these mountains are covered in snow. Since I visited this place post-monsoon, it did not win my attention. Also, make a note of this, that sometimes due to heavy snowfall in winters, this place might not be accessible to you. So plan your visit in between November and mid of December.
एक और चीज़ बताना चाहूँगा कि जब हम लोग कल गुरु डोंगर से वापस आए थे तो हम लोग सबसे पहले लाचुंग गए थे. लाचुंग में हमने ओवरनाइट स्टे किया था. गुरु डोंगर और ये इन दोनों के एल्टीट्यूड में ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. अराउंड लाइक 500-600 मीटर्स का डिफरेंस है यहाँ पे. लेकिन आपको ऑक्सीजन का उतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है जैसे गुरु डोंगर लेक में है, क्योंकि दोनों ही प्लेसेस अबव ट्री लाइन है. बट यहाँ पे आपको उतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी.
But that does not mean you can ignore the oxygen saturation levels here. It is a high altitude place and one is likely to suffer from AMS if indulged in any kind of physical activity. Make sure to follow all precautions that I had mentioned in my previous video of Gurdongmar Lake.
यहाँ आने से पहले I was like कि यहाँ Zero Point आना चाहिए कि नहीं आना चाहिए, because almost monsoon over होने वाला है. तो I thought it won't be worth it, but it's like really good. Because whole journey from the checkpoint of Yumthang Valley to the Zero Point was really worth it. तो ये था आपका Zero Point. अब हम यहाँ से जाएंगे पीछे वापस Yumthang Valley को, तो फिर वहाँ जाकर देखते हैं. So I have now reached Yumthang Valley. This valley is the Sikkim Valley of Flowers. आप जो एरिया देख रहे हो ये पूरा ग्रीन कलर का एरिया. यहाँ पे जनरली स्प्रिंग सीजन में सिर्फ फ्लावर्स मिलेंगे आपको. युमथांग वैली आने का सही सीज़न तो स्प्रिंग सीज़न है, लेकिन आप अगर पोस्ट मानसून आ रहे हो जैसे अक्टूबर में, तो भी आपको ये इसका व्यू बहुत ही अच्छा मिलेगा.
Yumthang Valley is known as the Sikkim Valley of Flowers and it is situated at around 3600 meters above sea level. Yumthang Valley is home to several kinds of flowers, especially rhododendron. There are over 20 plus species of rhododendron that are found in this valley. The valley is covered with flowers in between the month of February and June, when these flowers are in full bloom. Also, do not confuse this valley of flowers with the one located in Uttarakhand. This is known as Sikkim Valley of Flowers. Apart from carpet of flowers, this valley offers an amazing landscape and meadows. You can visit this valley in spring season, which is the best time, or you can visit this place post-monsoon.
तो आपको युमथांग वैली में जस्ट जहाँ से स्पॉट है उसके जस्ट थोड़ा दूर ही यू विल फाइंड ऑल दीज शॉप्स. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी शॉप्स है. आप किसी में भी जा सकते हो, चाय पी सकते हो, मोमो खा सकते हो या मैगी खा सकते हो.
Our last spot was Hot Springs. The Hot Springs is located 2-3 kilometers away from Yumthang ground.
This is actually spring water, but I'm not sure where is this hot spring. Hot spring कहाँ है यहाँ पर? अंदर. Oh, thank you. Basically, they have made kind of these rooms, and in these rooms there is a kind of like a swimming pool. Hot spring water is coming from that.
As I grew up in the mountains, I usually do not like any kind of man-made structures around spring water. I rather prefer a natural pool. There are several benefits of taking a bath in hot springs, such as cure to skin problems, relief from stress, increase in blood circulation, etc.
तो आज का थर्ड डे का जर्नी यहाँ पे एंड होता है. तो मैं आपको मिलूँगा अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. वो पता नहीं कहाँ का होगा. मोस्टली आई विल बी ट्रैवलिंग टू ईस्ट सिक्किम, बट आई हैवंट डिसाइडेड इट येट, बट लेट्स सी. Alright guys, that was all for today from Zero Point and Yumthang Valley. So take care, stay safe, stay healthy. See you in my next video. Bye bye.